Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Sephora haul for you, and I have a bunch of things that I've picked up lately at the end of summer, and I'm excited to share everything with you. So before I get started, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you stick around and hit the subscribe button down below. Click the bell so you get notified of all my future videos, and if you like and enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up is the Benefit Professional Foundation. So this is a new foundation that's more of a medium to full coverage, and it has a matte finish. This smooths the skin and it blurs your pores. This is a bottle for it, which I really like. I think it's a really nice design. This is a more fuller coverage foundation, but it has a really lightweight formula to it. I will show you in an upcoming try new makeup how this looks more in detail on the skin, but right now I absolutely love this. It is one of the best foundations that I've tried in a while. I also picked up the NARS multiple stick. So it's like a newer blush stick, and it's got more of a kind of matte finish to it. This one, there was like ones from before I think of these, but there's like newer shades and it's been reformulation, things like that I think now. This is the new multiple and it is a blush stick like I said, and the shade I have is Behave, which is this colour right here. It's a nice kind of muted soft colour. It feels very velvety like when you apply this. It has a matte finish like I said, so it really blends onto the skin lovely. It kind of dries down, like it's not like a sticky blush or anything because it has that more velvety matte finish to it. I'm very excited about this. I love NARS makeup products, and this I was like definitely going to get when it released because like I just love their base products. They have like amazing face products. Next thing I got is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzing Stick. So this is a repurchase for me because I absolutely love this. I threw a full one already in the past year, and I think this is absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried this, you really need to give this a go. It's the best bronzing stick ever, I think, and it smells beautiful as well. This is what it looks like right here. The shade I have is Chocolate Souffle. It's a really nice warm tone, but it's not like too over the top warm, you know, it's just the perfect amount of warmth. This just blends lovely onto the cheeks, and I'm very excited to have another one of these because my other one was completely finished. I also got the Benefit Gimme Brow. So this is like a tinted brow gel, and it's been a while since I've used this and I wanted to get it again, and like I love this for quickness. It's great to use in the morning when you just want to quickly do your makeup. It's also great for like when you're on holiday and you don't want to like spend too much time doing your makeup. If you're just going to the pool or the beach, this is a great little like tinted brow tint or gel that you can just basically run through your brows, and it fills them in because it has a little fibre bits in it, so it makes your brows like look like you have a little bit more going on. So it fills them in, gives a little tint to them, and yeah, it's just really quick, easy and convenient to use. Like it's got a little small brush wand spoolie thing on it that just coats your brows really nicely. I'm very excited to have this back in my life again because it's such a quick and easy little product to use. I also picked up the Giorgio Armani Lip Power. This is a really kind of long wearing creamy lipstick. I love the shade Romanza, so this is 102 Romanza again because I have completely finished my other one and I love this so much that I splurged to get it again because like it's just absolutely stunning and perfect. That's what it looks like right there. That's the shade. It is the most perfect pinky colour. I'll give it a little swatch for you. That's it there, and it goes on really nice and creamy with a slightly kind of like shiny finish, but it really dries down on the lips, but it doesn't go matte. It still gives you a nice sheen to your lips, but you can feel like the formula like on your lips dries a little bit so that you kind of like stays on your lips. So it has a little bit of a kind of matte finish underneath the top layer, if that makes sense. It's a very comfortable lipstick. I really needed this again because I absolutely love this shade, and it's been my most worn lip product this past year. Like this and my YSL Candy Glaze have been like my two like most used lip products, and yeah, so I just needed to get another one of these. If you haven't checked out these lip powers from Armani, you need to. I also got the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So this is another repurchase for me. Like this haul has been like full of repurchases apart from two products, but this is a repurchase because I purchase this every like month or so because it's my favourite brow pencil. This is what it looks like here. Of course it has the product on one side, and it has like a little spoolie, which is very, very useful. Actually, I use this a lot. Like every time I do my brows, I'm using this. So that is actually really handy on this product. This has the most amazing kind of formula to it. It applies to the brows really nicely. It fills them in, shapes them really well. And again, just like the Gimme Brow, this is very, very quick and easy to use. The only difference is the Gimme Brow is tinted and it's really quick to just fire through your brows, whereas this takes a little bit more time to precisely like shape your brows and fill them in. However, like the product, like the formula and the pigmentation is really good in it, that it comes off really well onto the brows. Yeah, I had to get myself another one of these because I do go through this quite quickly actually. That's the only downside to this product, is that it does run out quite quickly, but it is a fantastic product. That is everything for this haul, and I'm very excited about everything that I've gotten. Of course, I've 2 new products and a few repurchases, but I'm very excited about everything. I'll show you how most of these products apply and wear on the skin in my trying new makeup video. I will leave everything that I've talked about today in the description box. I'll link everything down there, and I have a Sephora UK discount code which you can use. I will leave that in description box for you. It gets you money off like a lot of brands, like not every brand, but a lot of brands on Sephora, so feel free to use that, and thanks so much if you do. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please get the thumbs up, and remember, hit the subscribe button, and I'll speak to you all very soon in my next video. Bye.